Good morning. We'll be going together on Seven Ladders Canyon. It's a cute little trail next to Brașov, Romania, Transylvania. It's a pretty light trail along this little creek, which will be eventually lead to its little canyon. And there were 7 ladders being built there. So we'll have to climb through it with 8% battery. I cannot do too much. Again, not the brightest, but I'll try to use the external battery to charge it up and see what we can get. So we'll be following this marking, vertical stripe on white background. So it starts with this road, and then we'll be going along the creek, and then on parallel with the creek there will be some trails, narrow ones, back to the road, all the way to the canyon. Not sure if you can hear the ravens. Their raven is symbol of Transylvania, symbolizes wisdom and longevity. I believe that these are from Rusula species. I might be confusing the scientific name, but I definitely know them, and I know that they are edible, although I guess they have a lot of worms at this time of the year. Of course, we're in the forest. This should be natural park, so I won't pick them up. There's no point on picking them up, as I won't be eating them, so let them spread their spores. Also edible is this one here. There's another one right there. See that bubble? That bubble over there. Also edible. That's the story. I wasn't able to pick up mushrooms for 3 years now. And then I find these beauties here. And well, I get triggered to eat them, collect them. But again, I'm not here for mushroom picking. It's amazing. They're all over the place. There you go. Different types, different species. These ones are also edible, but they're kind of bitter. There's blackberries. And there's also wild strawberries. Now, it's off season for wild strawberries, but the blackberries are getting ripe just now. Yeah. So, yeah, someone did the picking for this one. I cannot understand people coming just to destroy them. If you're not hungry, if your survival doesn't depend on it, or not even, I don't know, maybe you crave for them. Okay, pick them up, cook them, eat. Don't pick them up to be thrown away. That's definitely not the way to do. Wild mint. This is known as the horse's mint as well. It's super relaxing. Not very far away from big cities, so actually it's within Brașov's suburbs. but the good planning, you can drive for only 2 hours from Bucharest. The trail is super well marked. It's also, there you go, marking is good. There's warning signs for do's and don'ts. It's busy, it's popular. So with my external battery, I'm now up to 12%, which should work for a while. There you go, all these berries here. So we're now on the upper trail. The road is down there. And now you can see the creek, the side. I'm continuing.
Filmez niște ciupercuțe frumoase.
Still going. We have about 30 minutes left. It's getting busier and busier. There's an entire swarm of people coming here, and it's Tuesday. But at the same time, it's August. So people are still on holidays or taking holidays. It's August is the traditional holiday month in Europe overall, and Romania makes no exception.
Oh, look at this one. Different species, also related with porcini. These are very tasty.
After being baked in the oven
Or in stews.
Traffic jam. Traffic jam on the steps. Where's the trail? Which one is it? This one looks more popular and used. So of course the used one would make more sense. All right. And then we'll have to go down. Nice. There's the valley down there. I'm now temporarily king of the hill. So, judging by the aspect, this is conglomerate, I suppose. Hoping that I'm not wrong, I'm not a geologist. But we can see that there's a mix of different type of rock, just like a cement. Sorry, just like concrete. Listen to this. Cute little bridge. Nice water. Next. So now you'll be finding out why it is called Seven Ladders. Gata? Vii după mine, da? Ha? Vii după mine, zic. Hai! Mâinile aici, picioarele aici, da? Alright. așa. For millions of years, water made its way through here. We'll have to wait for the next group to move up. Ada. I'm getting showers, yeah. Look at this. Really kind of size. Right. Look at this. I'm not even a big man. I am tall, relatively. But I'm not a big person and still got there it is. Also, prevent idiots from putting graffiti. Ai grijă că e al necoți, da? Opa! Absolutely amazing. Vedeți voi? Deci nu mai facem?
Ce?
Deci nu mai facem?
Nu, să nu mai facem niciodată.
Deci este on... Hai că aici te descurci, te ții pași mici. Vin! Vrei poză? So now we're in this opening here. Gorgeous, gorgeous. "20 minutes left now. We got into a debate about the markings. I was going based on memory. I was corrected. We'll have to go on the marked. Right. We're going on the marked one. Yes. Yeah, I got schooled. I was going on the memory. Apparently this is the official trail. The other one is actually easier, but goes around. Ai grijă aici. Folosește treptele și vezi unde calci. The access to the canyon costed 25 lei, which is pretty much the equivalent of €5, $6. As far as I could see, and as for this date, today 12th of August 25, the zip line harness to go all the way down on the canyon costs 125 lei, which is pretty much €25 or $30. I will not take the zip line today because, well, we're a group of parents with kids, so the kids will enjoy shorter zip lines, but they're not allowed to do the entire trail. It is pleasant downhill as well. The place was overcrowded at some point. I forgot to give some money to my wife for the zip line for the kids. She cannot call me because there's not too much phone reception here. But I'm actually reaching the meadows where the zip line for kids is. Now let's see. Ah, it smells so good. Look at this guy. Watch this for one moment.
Watch this guy with his epic net. And he's actually enjoying his lunch. This is called a cross spider. It actually has a cross pattern
on its back. Yeah, I guess none of the kids was in the mood to go by zip line. That's funny because when we came here, we knew that the kids wanted to go by zip line. There's all these zip lines connecting from tree to tree. There we go. And off they go. So yeah, this is what gives the hype to this place. There we go. Attention, zip line. Oh darn. I wanted to do it as well. There's another one incoming. And it goes all the way there. There she is. She's still on the zip line. And touchdown. This was our hike on the Seven Ladders Canyon. We started the trail not so smart with 6% battery on the camera. I now have 52. I wanted to show you this tree here. It's a true monument of nature. There it is. So this one was most likely struck by a lightning bolt, and you can see it broke. But then it shot two saplings from this elbow here. The fire was most likely caused by some idiots. However, the tree is still standing. At least part of it. Most of it was taken down. But again, have a look at it. Nature is amazing. So this place worth visiting, just so you can see this tree. Feel free to write your feedback in the comments. Thank you.